Yama obi bia kwa ababa dwumadi fufura ya de brewa less media so. Aya to ne din say Ghana first. Wo dwumadi so ya bedwendwen Ghana ho, e betwetwe nkoma afa Ghana mpuntuo ne aman ne nkanko ho. Na de da so nko wo dwumadi so ne say ye nka ma amanyokuo anase bi na emum ye beka ne se ne yese se de be ma oman atumpon na oman nkanko ahia ye se timamufuo. Na emi se na wotwe ne kakra atwamu ene beto dwa se China I exporting the first cocoa Belgium. I raise concern in the public domain. Cocoa board called meetings upon meetings. Home because Ghana so say as one of our main resources are holding the economy down for more than 100 years. Now and such a great country, so I started to say exporting cocoa there. Effect bank and the benya our minor economy. So winning come I ever training ever dream home a business so Ghana cocoa board at 100 years. It was saying can yam shishino say China cocoa board at 15 years. I feel now I started to say or exporting cocoa. Winning come ye be dini dream home a would you mediation. Mama kwaba biemu ba less media so when you go so I will share media ya to ni din say Ghana first me am di dwumadi no ho chia me din di Jasper Nuako obeti my friend me Jasper me say dey me kan topic aye na ya dwendwen ho ya China cocoa am export ya dwendwen ato Ghana so na emum de di kan ya be hwe say what is the impact China cocoa export benya o Ghana so we are looking at say oman a watumpon wa technology they are advanced. They are far gone. See Ghana ye fertilizers, machineries. Bibia ye kuku ho adwuma. Ye craft free Europe and Asia, which is China. And at the end of the day, onona will feed you with all this nearma utumi ye ujuma di or bad market in mudia. Then what does it mean to Ghana? There was a money here and another say. As an open economy and as an open market operation, what means is you will be so one ba maybe and I'm ton bibi. Name mono, ne say you will take advantage of the competition. And ye bisa say Ghana cocoa board, I am ready. Say we to my take it up on this competition. You be to me China pray. Fine, say China cocoa the ko enye cocoa bia in do tons mpo and so they am share beto Ghana so. But the air say China advanced. They can use technology, they can use other means to capture the market. In less than be a 5 to 10 years time, they can become the largest cocoa exporters. And it's possible. But the artists of Ghana for only can say, oh, the quality of Ghana cocoa and then how my market up till now. Yet Indonesia too is an Asian country. Our need such favorable environment or geographical condition, which is was a tropical zone and sana cocoa, it's more successful. But yet they are the third on the log. After Cote d'Ivoire, you come to Ghana, then you come to Indonesia. Or Indonesia too has been in the business for more than 20 years now, and they keep struggling. They keep improving. But Ghana as a country, we have the natural condition, everything at hand. Say we will do better now. We are not improving. We are not doing better. See, let's assume say in the next 5 years, China should also be able to succeed with huge quantity. Now starting your export. At the end of to Ghana, insurance so bang and the bread or mine. They also when they say your revenue so better because cocoa take almost 30% of the revenue of the country, which is it's going to be a shock to the country, and such thing too is going to create a deficit. Already, the economy is burdened with loans. It's being external or internal loans. Dada. And how do we finance an extra deficit? We be to create. But you hear Cocoa Board going to meetings upon meetings. I share concerns. So when you the China and more and you say because the quality of Ghana cocoa, quality it is there. But the business is here and they say China started technological advancement when it comes to gadgets, phones, and among other things. China started and obviously, oh, China made, and yeah, papa, China made, say, China made this, China made that. But Chinese knew where they were going. And more than 10, 20 years, the whole world, or more appliance, and more gadget, or more product, or more commodity, will be found at every household around the globe. Ampanso, and if you been a Ghana Hampa, China the what else and a China in yebi? And do not let us sleep on the fact say your quality near, your quality near. China can afford any research, even if it will cost them $1 billion to research. So mubenya quality a be meeti Ghana then a be meeti their market in Asia. And in what we should do as a country, this time around, I think this competition is healthy for the nation because the leadership of Cocoa Board with that of the government is not about the incumbent alone. Obeko aban foforo beba aban a akọ de ebeba ene de ebeba daachi nyina should sit up na omon diversify the cocoa sector as an industry because cocoa is a great product. People call it the golden beans, others have so many names for it. You betumi enya niema bebre efrem. We have KNUST, which is a science university, and they can do research into it. Not only chocolate, not only Milo. And Ghana betumi free cocoa. We can get other stuffs. And look, China for in the next 10 years, the kind of products are derived from cocoa. This is what we are supposed to do as a nation. Than say say we buy cocoa and we were able to export tons of whatever. At this point in time, and yet here is our mind. I was see any brain. Now you're serious. We should sit up. Mistake CEO, the NCO. This is the time. Let's go back to the drawing board. Let's do our homework once again. Because we have every capacity. We have the market. Say, you bet me diversify cocoa beans into so many things. To talk of chocolate, cocoa tea, everything. What else? But the problem is, Ghana has always been crying of financial constraints. Yes, we know the country is not that rich when it comes to finances. But sometimes it doesn't take magic. It takes reasoning. It takes thinking. It takes commitment. We need people who are ever ready to sacrifice, who are ever ready to put their lives on the line. Because if you think of yourself as a leader, say, that will not help. But there is room for improvement. Because talking of chocolate market, Ghana is saying, this is a recommendation for Cocoa Board and for anyone who matters, either the government or any other institution. Let's invite investors on board. And of course, it's supposed to be local investors because we need to build the local capacity. We can't always ride or to be at mercy of foreign investors. For how long? And this is what Nkrumah told us in 1960s. Said imperialism is the last stage of colonialism because it's dangerous when you see people controlling your economy from external power. And this time around, we can do better. Inviting investors, the government can collaborate with banking, some of the banks who have the capacity to support and to pump in money to set up firms and new plants to go into production of chocolate, Milo, and other products. If you say, you bet me any free cocoa. And this is what we need to do now. We are crying of unemployment rate growing every single day, graduates coming out. There is no job, no job. Everybody is running onto the government. Everybody is looking up to the government. So, but this is a broad sector. You bet me creating human from farming, from harvest to sales, everything we can do better. And I'm pleading with the leadership of this country to be committed for once in our lifetime to put their lives on the line, to work for the nation, to sacrifice for the nation. He said, and then the big says, among others, even before the big says, there have been people who have been struggling, who have been fighting for this country. But this is a small sector. I keep asking myself, say, on my way, which sector in this country is even buoyant? You can't talk of the service sector, you can't talk of agriculture, you can't talk of none of them. What comes in mind? Say, working efficiently. Nothing. But this is the time. Yet now, ama mfufuma dan ye kwaye ye tena ho ama China abeje market no ana. And I have a piece of yibi wa hase ya me pese me ne mo share. Justice Issa Musa so good rights na oma fictions be into what we need to expect from China going forward. Obi hu ni say fiction, but enya fiction keke. Every invention was once a fiction. You have it in mind, you think of it, imaginations and all that. With the support of a proper and a well-planned environment, you will be able to achieve them. And he was talking of, say, Chinese-led Galamsey pollutes soil and water. In 2035, research funded by the Chinese government in Ghana shows heavy metals concentration in our cocoa and tuber crops. And these are some of the things we should expect. They will go around, spoil our lands with galamsey, with mercury and other metals. And production of cocoa among other crops will come down. And what we will do is to run back to them and go and export. And when we continue to rely on exportation, the country will be crippled. We won't be able to do nothing, absolutely nothing on our own. So it is about time we need to reason. Let us put our thinking caps on as a country. And the sad thing I made to me a country to want to say, looking at what is going on in the country recently, especially the youth need to come on board. We need to come on board. We need to push the leaders. We need to pull their toes in a decent way. No one is encouraging you to go for guns or any form of vandalism here. But we can reason. We can do that. We can bring about the paradigm shift we all desire for. Because anything that is worth it, we need to die for it. And we need, as a youth, to speak up. We need to talk. We need to let them know that we know what is right. Let them do the right thing for us. And let's stop saying Ghana this will not lead us to the promised land. First episode, going forward, the other issues about discussing, and we will dive deep than maybe the with facts. That will be BRC. So when you're now we'll share. Me am di dwumadi bro your friend me Jasper Nua ko betima friend me Jasper ewo Ales Media obia enkopenhwe because ya dwen wo man ho ewo holistic way. We don't do it with favoritism for party A or B. Edamasi.